Hi, and welcome to the DPP Minute. This week, when 15 became 7. And is that good news?
I think it's good news. The JRC reduced the scope and changed the direction. There are no longer performance requirements. Instead, there are only information requirements against a baseline. The 7 key areas the JRC considers in the report is robustness, recyclability, recycled content, environmental impact, maintenance, as well as chemical compliance. However, repairability is out.
That's quite a big deal. It goes from you must perform to you must report. It's that information, not performance. But that sounds easier, but I guess you still need a baseline to score any garment, right? There's still a lot of data to collect. I think any brand that's out there thinking, I'm going to wait for the list before I get started, there's your list, right? Let's start getting that data into one place, and let's maybe take a little celebration that repairability is off the homework for now.
Indeed. And that's the DPP Minute.
See you next week.